All right, so let's say we have our little double slit experiment with our slit spacing here and our observing screen placed a distance behind it.